What will the holidays be without turkey? If you plan to deep fry your bird this year, do it safely.
Our home was nearly destroyed by a deep fryer that was on our deck.
Fryers can be very dangerous if not used properly.
Sedgwick County firefighters offer these precautions. Make sure your fry pot is at least twice as big as your turkey. So a 12 to 15 pound bird needs a 30 to 34 quart pot. Determine how much oil you need by doing a test run first with water. Put your turkey in and measure how much water it takes to cover the bird by an inch. Mark that on the pot as your oil fill line. When you're ready to cook, find a spot for the fryer outside, away from buildings, vehicles, and trees. Never deep fry under a carport or canopy. Make sure your turkey is completely thawed and dry. Even ice crystals in the cavity could make the hot oil pop and splatter. Turn the burner off before slowly lowering the turkey into the oil with a hook. Keep a fire extinguisher close and monitor the turkey the entire time it's cooking. Do not go back in the house. If the oil ever starts to smoke or burn, turn the fryer off. Follow these guidelines to protect your home and family.
We want everybody to have a safe and happy holiday season this year.